everyone, this is Gayatri Negi. I'm an intern in Lexis & Company and you're watching LexClick. In this video, we will talk about how to start a taxi business in India. So, a taxi business is one of the most attractive and profitable business of the present scenario. Before starting a taxi business, the individual must be well aware of every detail related to the starting of taxi business. Now, first is business structure. First, the business structure of the taxi business must be decided. It can be based on sole proprietorship, private limited company, partnership or limited liability partnership. Model as business structure affects your personal liability, paperwork, taxation of the business, etc. Then is commercial driving license. Any person who owns a vehicle and drives it must have driving license to prove his authorization to use it. In case the vehicle used by person is for commercial purpose, then the person using it must have a commercial driving license to prove his authorization to drive it. A driving license is issued by a regional transport authority RTO office of a particular state, and it is absolutely necessary to have the license as per the Motor Vehicle Act. Now, if you want to know about the criteria for obtaining a commercial driving license, then the driver must be at least 18 years of age, driver must be at least educated up to 8th class, a learner's license necessary, training from government motor school is necessary. Then the application for the license can be made through both offline or online modes. A driving test is mandatory to access the driver's skill. A medical fitness certificate of the driver is necessary. Third is obtaining permit as the provisions of the Motor Vehicle Act. Then taxation norms must be fulfilled, environmental regulations must be, all these norms must be complied with, and finances. After all these paperwork and regulations, your taxi business shall be registered. Thank you and have a nice day.